Have you ever felt stuck wondering why someone you care about hasn't reached out, even when you're sure they feel the same way? You're not alone. Relationships can feel like a puzzle, but today we're here to help you solve it. By the end of this video, you'll uncover the secrets behind why she might be holding back and how to approach it with confidence. Welcome back to the Stoic Route, where we explore the fascinating world of self-improvement, relationships, and personal growth. Let's dive into the psychology of why she might not be reaching out, even if she likes you. Number 1. Fear of rejection. Let's start with a universal truth: fear of rejection. Believe it or not, women often experience this fear just as much as men do. If she likes you, but senses even the slightest possibility that you might not feel the same way, she might hesitate to take the first step. Nobody wants to risk feeling vulnerable or exposed. Imagine this. She's replaying every interaction in her mind, analyzing whether you're truly interested. If she perceives any ambiguity, she might choose to stay silent rather than risk the embarrassment of being turned down. What can you do? Take the first step. A simple text or call can make all the difference. Something as straightforward as, "Hey, I was thinking about you. How's your day going?" can help ease her fears and open the door for deeper communication. Number 2. Societal conditioning. Despite the progress we've made in challenging traditional gender roles, societal expectations still linger. Many women are raised with the belief that it's the man's job to make the first move. This conditioning often creates hesitation, even in today's modern world. She might genuinely like you, but hesitate because she's been taught that expressing interest first might come across as too forward. How can you change this? Break the ice. Show her you're interested in her and create a safe space for her to express her feelings. When you take the lead, you're not just making the first move, you're dismantling outdated societal norms and setting the stage for a healthier connection. Number 3. The effort test. Here's a classic move. She might step back to see how much effort you're willing to put in. This isn't about playing games, it's about understanding your level of interest and commitment. Think of it this way: she's wondering, does he really care about me, or am I just an option? If you truly like her, don't shy away from showing it. The key here is balance. Be persistent enough to show her you're serious, but avoid coming on too strong. A well-timed message or a thoughtful gesture can go a long way in proving your genuine interest. Number 4. Life can be overwhelming. Sometimes her hesitation has nothing to do with you. Life can be chaotic. She might be juggling a demanding job, school responsibilities, family obligations, or personal challenges. Even if she's genuinely interested in you, these stresses can leave little room for communication. How can you support her? Be patient and understanding. Give her the space she needs, but let her know you're there for her. A message like, "I understand you're busy, but I'm here if you ever need to talk," shows empathy and builds trust. Number 5. Fear of coming on too strong. Another reason she might hold back is the fear of appearing too eager. Many women worry about being labeled as desperate or overly enthusiastic, especially if they're unsure about how you feel. What can you do? Reassure her. A small comment like, "I really enjoy hearing from you," can help her feel more confident in reaching out. Let her know that her efforts are appreciated, and she'll feel more comfortable taking the initiative. Number 6. Mixed signals from you. This one might hit close to home. If you've been inconsistent, showing interest one day and pulling away the next, she might hesitate to reach out. Mixed signals create confusion and leave her unsure about your true intentions. Consistency is key. If you like her, show it consistently. Regular, thoughtful communication will help her feel secure in the connection. Remember, actions speak louder than words. 7. past emotional wounds. Sometimes her hesitation stems from past heartbreaks or unresolved trauma. If she's been hurt before, she might be cautious about opening up again. It's not about you, it's about the walls she's built to protect herself. How can you help? Be patient and understanding. Give her the time and space she needs to heal and build trust. Let her open up at her own pace and don't pressure her into revealing more than she's ready to share. Number 8. Compatibility concerns. Even if she likes you, she might be taking time to evaluate whether you're truly compatible. She could be analyzing your values, goals, and lifestyle to see if you align with her vision for the future. What can you do? Be authentic. Share your values, interests, and long-term aspirations openly. This will help her see the potential for a meaningful connection and reassure her that you're both on the same page. So there you have it, the top reasons why she might not be contacting you, even if she likes you. Relationships are complex, but understanding these psychological factors can help you navigate them with confidence. Your action plan: be patient, be consistent, be genuine. When you approach the situation with empathy and authenticity, you'll create a space where she feels comfortable opening up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Stoic Route for more insights into relationships, personal growth, and self-improvement. Have a story or question about your experience? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay confident.